What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Sneakerhead on the budget, one of the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. Don't get me like, share, subscribe. Definitely helps the channel because YouTube be holding us down out here, budget fam. Damn! Alright, so boom. Again, we're on the road to 2K. If you like this content, please like, share, subscribe. We do reviews, we do thrifting, we do all that. So please hit the notification bell, leave a comment, share the video. Do all you gotta do. We trying to make it up here. So what's good, budget fam? It's a late video, and this is kind of weird because I'm wearing Jordan brand, and you've seen the thumbnail. Your boy's been doing some Christmas review, right? So your boy looked at the Adidas thing, and they had the Grinch Adidas forum. Now, as you know me, I don't really wear many Adidas pairs, but this pair actually really caught my eye, especially because of the Grinch. Kobe Grinch is just out the question. People have gotten insane with it. It is what it is. But I love details, and if you know anything about me, I love the details.
Halfway.
The shoe has a lot of detail on it, so it's something that I had to get in my collection. Plus, I didn't have to pay resale for it, so anything I don't have to pay resale for, I'm all for it. So let's dive into it, because these just came in. They had this weird little packaging that came in. I ain't mad at that. Let's go ahead and take this off, and you know us, let's go ahead and check out the box. So first, we start off with that box right there. As you see, we got the Grinch hand with the ball right there. We also have the Grinch on the side, and then we have the Adidas Grinch logo right there, which is pretty dope. That's one of those little slide out boxes that Adidas does so well. And as we open it instantly, we got some insoles, which is actually different than when you open something up. It's kind of like a gift of a gift. So we got two insoles. This first insole has the Grinch right there with the packaging, right? And the Adidas logo on the bottom. And the other one has the Grinch right there on the heel. So this is something new. I've never opened a box and seen that. And as you know, we love the details. So here's the paper. Let me go and take this out. That note's on this box. So I'm gonna take that out and look at the paper. We have the Grinch here on the paper, which is actually pretty cool. Show that again. Right there. And let's go ahead and check out the shoes. So both of these shoes are individually wrapped. Now this is special packaging. I'm kind of getting an event right here. Nike doesn't really give us much of this, but shout out to Adidas for this detail. So here is the shoe right here in question as I drop it, that right there. And we're going to pick this up. Now Nike dropped the green shoe to the Cactus Flea Market. It is what it is. But look at this shoe. Ooh, this is nice, y'all. This shoe is crazy. Now, your boy got a size 11 because, you know, they never always run out of my size. I didn't even know these dropped yet, which is the crazy part. The Grinch is kind of a staple in Christmas history. And as you see, we got this shoe here. We got this little tag right here with the Grinch hand, just like we have on the box. Look at the details. Look at the furry suede. Wow. And it feels premium. It feels actually really good. I don't think any of this is glow in the dark, but it feels like the bottom should. We have this netting right here on the medial part of the shoe, which I've never seen that before. So I give Adidas a lot of props on this. Like, again, I'm not a really Adidas guy. I'm not really Adidas forum guy, but this actually is giving me really good vibes, especially with the shoe. The shoe looks freaking amazing. Look at the green on there. The suede looks great. There's two different kind of colors in. You have like a light green and a little more darkish green on there. The tongue has the Adidas logo on there. Looks like we have two sets of laces. So we have some red laces with the green Grinch at the end, and this one is just green, all green with the green Grinch on the end. I don't know if this one that's it. Okay, so the one that's inside is similar to that green, but has the red Grinch tips at the end, which is not too bad. And then we have these little giblets on there. So we have this pin. So we have a present. We have the Grinch right here. We have the dog. I forgot the dog's name. Don't kill me in the comments. And we have Angry Grinch right there, which is pretty cool. So the details in here are actually really, really dope. Shout out to Adidas for the details. Sometimes it's all about the details. I don't think there's anything else in here. I wonder if the other shoe looks the same. Oh, I just read the paper. Let's find out anyway. I wonder if the other shoe is just exactly the same, especially if it has like giblets and stuff on it. Let me see. So this one has like little giblets on it as well in the front, and I believe they're exactly the same, just put in different places. But again, well, okay, so we have two differences now. So this has the Adidas logo right here, and this one has the Grinch eyes right there. So if you guys see that, On the inside, you have the Grinch's face. On this one, it is the same thing. So this is the Grinch smiling on this one, and then this one has the Grinch frowning on that one. So again, the details is what it's all about. The bottoms look pretty dope. Look like a standard Adidas form. But I want to salute Adidas for this. Adidas been in the news for a lot of stuff recently, as you know, with the Kanye and all this other stuff. But this shoe right here is so underrated to me. It's dope. I love the coloring. I love how this inside coloring is different as well. There's like 4 different types of greens going on here, and I'm feeling it all. As you know, green is my favorite color, so this is really dope. I love this shoe. Seeing it in images, I was a fan of it. Seeing it in person, I love this shoe, especially when it comes to the color of it. Like, this is a really good shoe. I'm really excited for this one. So shout out to Adidas for that. Shout out to all the other details. I don't think there's anything else I'm trying to see, because usually I don't do Adidas, so now I'm trying to see if there's anything new that I should see, but I don't really see anything crazy. I just see a really good shoe, guys. I really think you guys should pick this up. I know it's low right now for resale, but if you're looking for a nice, cool Christmas shoe, something to rock for the holidays, this might be your pick. Now, this is a size 11. It does look bigger than that. It looks way bigger than that. But this is definitely something I'm going to be wearing very, very soon. So, again, if you want to see outfits with this, definitely check me out on the Instagram, Sneakerhead on a Budget, Twitter account, The Real Mike Peasy, and I'll see you guys soon. Definitely cop this shoe. This is definitely an underrated pickup of the year. Peace.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.